Meet the Samoyed, the only dog breed that evolved actual smile muscles. Siberian tribes discovered that happy dogs survive negative 60-degree Fahrenheit winters better than grumpy ones, so they selectively bred for permanent grins. These walking clouds shed so much fur you could literally knit a full sweater from what they drop daily. But do not let that angel face fool you. They are basically furry toddlers with separation anxiety. Leave them alone for 5 minutes and they will redecorate your couch, reorganize your trash, and somehow get stuck upside down in a laundry basket looking completely proud of it. Angel face or beautiful disaster? Drop your vote and subscribe for more dog breed reality checks.